Greetings. Welcome to another reasoning session. 101 Conscious Reasoning with Self. It is I, Najee Janai Smart. Yes, your lioness. Constantly reasoning with myself. Inwardly. Yeah. Feeling in my dark. And coming up with my answer. You know. This is a good, if you never even start connect with yourself or try to reconnect back to yourself. So time, slow down the pace there, so that you can spend some time with yourself and help you find back yourself and reconnect yourself. Yeah, man. And stay calm in the midst of chaos. Enough people are going to find themselves in these times like fish out of water because they don't know themselves. Or they might run from themselves. But you when you run from yourself, you reason with yourself and how to talk to yourself. You don't care a fuck when nobody want to think or say when them say you talk to yourself. You talk to yourself and reason with yourself. And make yourself arrive at your own solution so we can make our own decision. I want to subscribe to dogmatic fuckery. No. Yeah. Just say it 101, you know? And a straight African with Jamaican filter. I don't like English. No, I don't like the English language. But it's so engraved, indoctrinated and engraved, you know, sometimes it's find a way if you get itself out or if you explain certain things so that certain people can get up over, they have to go into the English. But otherwise, we don't really deal with it. We don't really deal with it. Yeah. Just say it 101 and really deal with English language. Straight blood clot patois. Yeah, and uncompromised and with free, with speech free. So, it's been a while. It's been a minute since I've been here. You know, so I just pop in and do like a quick thing. You don't know when I left all the herbs. No rest of when I left all the herbs. All the medi. Highly medi. Oh, you watch the people living in Babylon and them confusion. No, I don't know what to do with them blood clot cells. No, I know what to do with themselves now. They find themselves alone in their own space and then confused and don't know what to do with themselves. That's sad. The world and some people are waiting for it to start back to go back into the same chaos so them when just end from her, them just come out a peaceful time now. Some see it as vacation. Some see it as relaxation. I know people never have no time to do certain things, you know. They don't even have time to think. I know they have enough time to rest like they can't think. They still can't think. Some people never have no blood clot time to do shit. Because every time you eat them don't have no time. And every time they do something for themselves, they don't have no time. Every time they do something for themselves, they don't have no time. Because they're busy, I try to give that time to somebody to impress somebody else from that time. I know that in this time, they have more than enough time. Then it coming like time, coming like a rope on them neck because they must strangling at them one time. Blood, clot, fire. Yes, there are the zombies them a spiral out of control because zombies them don't know what to do with them bomber clot self. The zombies them don't know what to do with themselves. When they start line up for food, we have to line up to spend the same money. one of that kill off of the self again, you have to line up to spend that blood clot. And sometimes when you reach up for going to spend it, when you want not in there for buy it, you have to take what they give you. Still a blood clot sheep same way. Yeah. Certain thing in a certain vibration in a jump on Rasta. Certain vibration in a jump on. You see certain vibration, you allow that. You see certain boat a pass. My ball figure time for it. Because you see it full up. It full up of fuckery. And the vibration we are pass, we are half empty. Chill and calm. Between the fucking lights. This is Jus Seh. We don't join church with remote. Church blood clot stop. All church stop. Hey, then if Corona can blood clot stop all the church, then we power of it. We power within our church then. Cause if Corona have power over the church, yeah, question me ask Rasta. Aje talking to my spirit. Asking my spirit some question. Because if power in our church and a person has so much power and Corona can stop it, then I will have the power. Hey, blood clot story for the other day.
The zombie generation. The zombie generation. It's sad to see human beings acting like zombies to maintain superficial relationships with androids and machines. It's sad to see real humans desperately becoming fake. Seems like fake is the new real. Fad at its best. What a fucking mess. It's sad to see children of the soil, reveling in Babylon's spoils, drowning in their ignorance, humans being in a trance. Spellbound by fuckeries, too stiff to dance, creating fake memories from fake faces of fake people having fake interaction in fake places. Fire! It's sad to see human beings not just being but desperately faking to act real. Fire, lightning and thunder from Babylon.